Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY, and welcome to an unboxing video, guys. So I ordered a couple of things from Temu recently, and I'm here to show you guys. So these things I'll be showing you guys, they are, some of them are from Temu and some of them are from some other store here. So let me show you guys, okay? I got this one from Temu. So I might put a picture of each of these products from Temu. I will insert them somewhere here. So this is a, can I remember the name? I can't even remember. But let's open it up. So can you guys see? So this is this. I bought this thing for fruits. It's a fruit rack, a fruit stand. You can call it anything you want to call it, but this is what it's looking like. So it's, you can use it to store your fruits, spices, different things. And this one is 3-stair. This basket thingy, 1, 2, and 3. Here are some, what's it called, like screws to screw it. This one, I guess, is the stand as well. And this, so this is what it's looking like. So when I set it up, I'll show you guys. And this bag as well. So let's unbox together. So in this bag, I've got a lot of things. So first one is this. This is a decorative piece, decoration piece. So I want to use it to decorate my back, my background where I normally do my sit down videos. So I want to use this to decorate my background. So this is what it's looking like. It's actually plastic. So I'll put it down this way. Then I can put some flowers in here. So this is a black one and this is white one. Then I got this headband, set of 4. Oh, this is really nice. Set of 4. Can you guys see? So this is the red, the army green color, the blue, and the yellow. Then I bought this one. I enjoy the little things. So this is like a wooden frame, but I think it comes with, it's a sticker glue. So I feel you stick this here, and then paste it on the wall like so. But it says enjoy the little things. Can you guys see? So what's this? This is a satin bonnet. Oh, this is nice. The satin bonnet I have is black, but it's kind of slack. It doesn't hold my head well. So I think this one too is looking slack. I don't even know. But satin bonnet, yeah. See? What's in this? Oh, okay. This is a wristwatch. I bought this wristwatch for a daisy. It should be pink. So this is what it's looking like. Can you guys see? It's a wristwatch. So this is the strap. And this is the wristwatch itself. So when I set it up, I will show you guys. And it has a charging point thingy as well. It's for my kitchen, and it says the kitchen is seasoned with love. So you guys see, the kitchen is seasoned with love. And this one has a hook. So I just hang it on the wall in my kitchen. Okay. This fake book or fake book or fake whatever is also for decoration. It has even bent. Can you guys see? It's kind of damaged here. It's pressed. So this is what it's looking like. It's just to decorate maybe a table, a background, something like that. It's a fake book. So yeah. I wanted to buy some juice bottles. This is too small. Which kind of juice bottle is this? Can you guys imagine? Which kind of juice bottle? This is too small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I might just use it to be doing what I had in mind when I was ordering this was like a bigger bottle. Maybe I didn't look at the measurement or whatever, because to be honest, when I was ordering these things, I was just ordering. I was never looking at some of the description, the whatever. I just saw what I want. I add to cart, check out and paid. So this thing is small. Maybe I didn't take my time to look at the measurement, so I might just use it to be doing ginger shots, you know, these small shots. It will be like a shot bottle instead of a juice bottle. So yeah. Okay, this is a candle holder, like scented candle. If I put my candle, I pop it in here, light it up, and yeah, just to make it stylish. So it's 1, 2, and 3 different sizes, and it's wooden. It's nice. Can you guys see? Is my candle somewhere here? So what I mean is, so maybe all this type of candle, because I have this type of candles, I just pop it in here, turn it on, and leave it somewhere. So that's basically it. So 3 of it like this, you see. Last but not least is this jacket. I got this for Sophia. This is looking different too. So maybe Soso might have this. Okay, this is the belt. So when I was ordering this, to be honest, who I had in mind was Ades. Was it Ades or Soso? No, it was Soso I had in mind, but I think, yeah. No, it was Ades I had in mind, because yeah, it's written 9 years, but this 9 years is looking too small. So that means Soso will just be wearing it. Yeah, it's looking kind of different in real life. Can you guys see? Well, so yeah, these are the things I bought from Temu recently. I can't even remember the last time I ordered something from Temu. I can't remember, but yeah, I've just got all this from Temu. Let me now show you guys the ones I got from a store here. So yeah, let me give you guys a backstory. So the thing is, I have, you guys know we call all this, let me not say we, I call all this kind of footwear, I call them Crocs, but there is a particular brand that is actually Crocs. Yeah, so I wanted to buy the exact Crocs, because once I have, they're brandless, but they're very nice, but they've served me, they're good, but I wanted to buy the Crocs itself. So I checked online, and I realized that there are some stores that sell it around me. So I went to this particular store where I had in mind they didn't have it. So one day I was just passing, normal passing like this. So I now entered a shop to, what did I even go to? Okay, I entered a shop to duplicate a key, and then in the shop next to it, they were doing sales for Crocs. And I've also seen these Crocs in, was it in Sports Direct? There was a time I went to buy socks in Sports Direct. I saw that Crocs, but I didn't buy it that day. But when I now saw it in this particular store, I said, what are you saying? Yeah. Let me show you guys my Crocs. So this is the Crocs. is the Crocs. So I think it was supposed to be for £44.99. Can you guys see? £44.99. But they were on sales that day. They were on sales. So yeah, this is my new Crocs. Can you guys see? Crocs. If you guys can see it, Crocs. Yeah, and this is the Crocs logo thingy. Can you guys see? Yeah, so this is my new Crocs. So this is the main Crocs, like the brand Crocs. So this is for £44.99, but they were on sales that day. They were on sales and I bought it for, I think, was it 20%? I think, was it 20% discount? I think it was 20% discount. I bought it for 36. Yeah, I bought it for 36. Yeah, so they were on sales. I bought it for £36. So yeah, this is my Crocs, my Crocs. So yeah, what again did I buy? Okay, I also bought these things I'm showing you guys. It was different days I bought them. So I bought this one in Primark. I bought it for £5. You guys know we will soon enter winter, like very soon. So I just bought this for, you know, head warmer thingy. This is nice. I like the color, I like the style. Nice. And then I also bought these Nike socks. It's 3 different colors. This is the white one, this is the gray color, and then this is the gray, and this is the black. Yeah, so this was sold for £16.99. Can you guys see? £16.99 Nike. So yeah. So I think that's all. So these are the things I got recently. I said let me come and show you guys. Okay, so if you enjoyed this unboxing video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please. You guys subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. I don't know why you are not watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and yeah. And by the way, this is my new bonnet. Very easy to set up. This is so lovely, and I like the fact that it was so easy to set it up, like boom, before you knew it I was done.